Hello one and all, welcome to Seen Through Glass and welcome to the Nurburgring. Now, I've had very limited experiences at this place, and in fact, my only time actually going out on the ring itself was in the passenger seat of Gᴇʀᴍ<silence>'s Porsche GT3. That was last year. But today that is all about to change because I'm going to be doing my very first lap behind the wheel of a car, and it's going to be my own Porsche 911 Carrera T with the roof box and the rally lights. Nothing is changing. This car is going to do a lap in its current shape and form. Anyway, we're going to hold on for dear life and hopefully I'm going to survive. Now, in case anyone's been asleep and has no idea who you are, which would be ridiculous.
Oh, I'm gonna be all blushy the whole lap.
Can you just explain why you're the king of the ring? Well, the internet's king of the ring.
Internet's king of the ring.
Yeah.
Okay, so I've been living here for the last 5 years, doing between 1 and 30 laps every day. I've been driving the taxis, ring taxis last year. This year I'm racing and, well, basically instructing for the last 5 years, and yeah.
So Tim in the 600 LT just said to me that you could instruct a lap around the Nurburgring blindfolded.
There is actually video coming of me doing that.
Oh,
so
okay.
Check out my channel.
So as nervous as I am, I feel more confident having you in the car.
And stop first.
Oh, sorry.
Because we're gonna talk about some important rules of the track. So, first of all, you're only allowed to overtake on the left side. No overtaking is on the right because it's a public road. So this means whenever there's a faster car behind us, stay on the right side, turn the indicator to the right preferably to show them that you've seen them. You allow them to pass. Whenever the car is passing you, keep your eyes on the road, because if you keep looking in the mirror where it is, you're gonna end up off the track.
Not a good idea.
Yes. Second, if we see yellow flag means slow down to 50 kilometers an hour, 50, which is roughly 30 miles per hour or below.
Okay.
Turn on the hazard lights and do not overtake. That's about it. And yeah, we can proceed. Your lap ticket is on you?
I've got my lap ticket.
Okay, perfect.
I think we're ready.
Yeah, let's go.
I will repeat this again, and for anyone that missed the Red Bull Ring video, I haven't speed tested the roof box or the rally lights, so I may let off the gas pedal on some of the straights.
It's fine.
I know, Misha's there going, you'll be all right.
Yeah, we did roof the box, and we did like also wheelchair on the rooftop.
I saw that on the Ford GT,
Ford GT with Jason Watt. It was good. So
okay, well,
yeah, so
see.
we go to the
let's
right.
See how we get on to the right.
And you pick left or the middle lane because those have the scanners for right-hand drive cars.
Ah.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Oh, like a pro. And we're away. Okay, so I think importantly, Sport Plus and manual.
Yeah,
I'm guessing is what we're going to rock and roll with.
Yep.
Now, I'm keeping an eye on my mirrors, aren't I? So I got to.
Yes,
traffic.
I have half a mirror here, so it's all fine.
Okay.
Here's a chicane, so slow down, be gentle.
Also, apologies if any water bottles come flying out from under your feet.
It's fine. Okay, as long as not end up underneath your brake pedal. Flat out to the middle of the bridge. Good, perfect. Towards the left side of the bridge, past the left curbstone, towards the bottom right orange barrier, and stay on the right side. So there it is, staying on the right. In the bottom, start steering to the left curb, right curb in a straight line. Speed is fine. Don't have to brake. Left curb, right curb. Then after that to the middle of the track, aiming for the middle. Speed is fine. Don't brake yet. Bit on the brakes and let go over white line to the left curbstone. On the brakes harder to the left curb. Let go right curbstone. Then towards the left curb and stay on the left side. Before the blue sign on the left on the brakes and blue sign turn in. So here brakes and turn in and to the outside. Outside. Use all of the track, you've paid for it. To the right side, on the right, orange barrier. So braking point, traffic light turning point. Brake harder. And turning in left curbstone to the outside, to the right curb, and towards the middle of the track, to the middle, to the right curbstone, 2 kilometer sign on the left, and stay left before the sign on the brake, sign turn in, so brake a bit, and turning in right curbstone, and gas to the outside, and straight towards the right side of the track, and staying on the right side, speed is fine. Now on the brakes, a bit harder, let go, turn in, left curb, and brake again to the right curbstone, and let go into the end of the left wall, and then back to the right side, end of the right curb to the left curb, to the orange barrier, at the right curb a bit on the brakes, and turn in. So a bit brakes, and turn, left curb, then to the end of the right tire wall, and to the 3 kilometer sign on the left, and staying left, very good. On the brakes, stay left, a bit more, and let go, turn in, right curbstone, tighter, And yeah,
There we go.
And to the right window on the fence, and to the middle of the track.
That's why you're with me.
Exactly. Here you can go flat.
Flat out.
Flat to the right curb barrier, to the uphill left part of the track. Stay left. At the orange barrier on the left, turn into the right curbstone. Speed is fine. Just be smooth and gentle. And turn. Keep the steering wheel like that. And gas. There we go. Perfect.
Oh, okay,
And now left curbstone, middle of the track, left curbstone again. Now you can stay on the gas, all good. And towards the uphill right part of the track. Yeah, stay on the gas.
I'm going to come off a little bit just because of my nervousness of the box.
Okay. Just a bit on the brakes, 5 km sign, turn in left curbstone, turn smoothly on the gas, stay always on the gas here a bit. And stay on the left side, end of the left curb on the brakes hard braking. Harder a bit, and let go, turn in right curbstone, and then towards the left curbstone.
I've got them again.
Yeah, that's a Clio, and to the bottom, to the small white sign on the right, and turning in left to the 6 km sign in the middle on the bottom. Speed is fine, all good, and towards the right curbstone in the bottom, end of the right curb, to the left curb and right curb in a straight smooth line, and at the up right curbstone on the brakes, and at the white sign turn in to the left. Oh, brakes and it's a yellow flag. So you will have to cut out this section of the video because accidents. Yeah, you should not put them in.
Okay.
So, but you can show that we are doing what we need to do.
Sure.
Just don't include the
anything forward facing.
yeah, whatever is happening on the right side of us. But I think it's just like a technical breakdown. But for the rest, it's fine.
Dude, this is intense.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, we can pass that car, and after that we can switch off the thingy.
Thank you.
And on the gas again, flat out. Right curbstone to the left side, and then to the left side, and aim for the small white sign ahead of you. On the right side, on the brakes towards the sign. Let go, left curbstone towards the right side. End of the right curb on the brakes harder. Beginning of the left curb turning in. So here on the brakes, and let go, turn left curbstone. Towards the right curbstone to the Yokohama sign on the left, and stay left, and motorcycle sign on the brake, and stay long left. So here brakes harder, stay left, and let go, right curbstone. Alright, and left side, and on the gas to the right fence. At the fence, just a small tap on the brake, and steer to the left curb, right curb, a bit brake, let go, and left curb, right curb. Towards the left fence in the bottom. And now on the brakes, and let go, second right curbstone. Yeah, and to the outside again, and stay left. Now on the brakes, a bit harder. Let go, right curb. Brake again, and the left curbstone, and then right curbstone. You can overtake the car. Oh, that was from Polish Top Gear. Okay,
oh,
the
really?
left side. Yeah,
oh,
they
wow.
were filming it today.
Oh shit.
That's not cool for them.
Oh,
Okay, left to the right curbstone. Stay right. Stay right. Stay right. Harder braking. Let go, left curb, and to the end of the white wall on the right. All good. And back to the left side. Before the end of the curb, small tap on the brake. End of the curb, turn to the right curb. End of the left wall, and gas to the end of the left wall, and flat out to the right side, and staying right. The left-hander is flat out. Is, by the way, Lauda links where Niki Lauda crashed the 76, but nowadays you can just stay on the curb. Yeah. Left side, stay left. Exclamation mark on the brake. Stay left of the 125. So staying left, 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 right curbstone. And gas to the outside. Very good. Very nice. Middle of the track.
Alright, Niki Lauda, let's just get that in.
Okay, left side, stay left. Left, and here straight to the right side. The left-hander is a flat out corner in dry conditions. So stay on the gas, to the right curbstone, to the orange barrier on the left. And staying left side, the track goes slightly to the right though, so be cautious. Right curbstone, to the left fence, left curb, to the right side. End of the right curb, turn into the left curb. Speed is fine, don't brake, don't lift. And left curbstone, and to the outside. Very good. And back left.
You have more confidence
Stay
than I do,
left.
man.
Stay left. And to the right curbstone, to the left fence. 138, very good. Beginning of the left curb on the brakes, and stay left till the end of the curb, a bit harder braking. Yep, all good. Stay left, and now right curbstone. Then to the outside. And towards the far right curb, and to the small white sign on bottom right of the fence ahead of us. 143, aim straight towards it. now on the brakes, and going straight into the carousel.
Woo.
And stay on the concrete bit, and at the exit, the right corner of the concrete plate should be in the middle of the car, and then to the right curbstone. There we go.
There we go.
To the left wide side, 145, then to the right curb, past the right curb to the uphill left curb, before the left curb, just gentle lift, and gas again, to the uphill right curbstone. Very good. Middle of the right curb on the brakes, end of the curb turn into the left curbstone, to the right curbstone, then to the left side, speed is fine, moving over to the left, stay left, until the sign 151, orange barrier on the brakes, here brakes, and let go, right curbstone, to the left curbstone, to the far left orange barrier, and after 15 mark on the brakes. So brake, yeah, let go, right curb, towards the left curb, to the bottom right curbstone. You can take the right curbstone completely, go over it if you want to, like a race car. Okay, yeah, more or less. On the brakes. Right curbstone. Bit more right. Yep, perfect. And now on the brakes. Bit more. Let go left curb. Look downhill on the left side. Very good. And back left side. Stay left. Now on the brakes, stay left. Let go right curb to the left side, to the outside. And staying left, very good. Stay left on the brakes, let go right curb, and to the outside again, use all of the track, and back to the right side, very good. Before the bottom on the brakes, yellow graffiti turning in, so now, yeah, okay, over the right curb completely. Yeah,
I know a choice there.
Exactly. To the fence ahead of you on the right, 169, and then left curb, speed is fine, stay on it. And after the jump, you can go on the brakes.
The jump?
Yeah. And right curbstone, and to the outside, and then back right curbstone, to the middle of the track, and left curbstone to the right side, end of the right curb to the left curb, speed is fine. So staying to the left side, at the flag on the left, turn into the right curbstone. So right curb, and straight. And right curbstone, and left curb, and to the right curb, and stay right. Right high fence on the brakes, but go straight towards the left side. So braking straight to the left, and let go, right curbstone. Very nicely done. End of the right curb, tap on the brakes, steer to the left curb. And steer, yeah, very good. And to the outside, and stay right. Black marks on the right curbstone. Is your braking point, end of the mark, turning point. So here, brakes, and turn, left curbstone. Close to it, unlike the big carousel. And out, very good. And staying left. The second white graffiti is your braking point. So here, brakes, and turn, right curb now. And to the fence on the left where the toilet is, 186. Close to it, and then smoothly to the right side. Smoothly, 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 and flat out to the outside.
Oh, we've survived! We've survived!
We did.
Oh my god, my heart has never raced faster. I've been trying to listen to what you're saying, trying to take it all in, trying not to crash. Oh my dude, thank you so much, honestly.
Good. It was awesome.
Oh, it was awesome for sure, but wow! How do you compute that? I guess for you it's just like a robotic chant, right?
Yeah, it is.
But for me, I'm like, what did he say? What, left curb? What? Oh my god!
Yeah, my girlfriend sometimes tells me that instructing in my sleep.
Or in other moments of your relationship.
Yeah.
Oh, that was amazing. We're alive! I am so happy. What an insane experience. This guy right here, you're a hero. Absolute legend. I'm not sure how I computed all the information you told me, but somehow I did, and it's because of your knowledge and expertise.
I was just reading the cues on my shirt.
Yeah.
I have a map here, so I'm like, where to go?
That's literally it. If you are ever coming to the Nurburgring, firstly hit up Apex, because if you want to do a passenger lap experience, not even just an actual driving experience, they are wicked. You also need to hit up this guy, because he's a legend, and you can have a beer with him. I signed you up to beers with strangers.
We also have rental cars as well, and no hotel as well, so all time stuff. So.
All the stuff. But anyway, in the grand scheme of things, it's been an incredible experience. My first time driving around the Nurburgring. Carrera T, what a beaut. I mean, we were just saying on the way back here, it's so good, this car.
Yeah.
For what is like a bog standard 911 Carrera, the old shape now, it's still fantastic.
It is absolutely marvelous. It's great. And we had extra downforce from on the roof.
Extra downforce or drag, as I said. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you have, and make sure to subscribe to both of our channels. Misha's link is below for plenty more videos to come.